Snackman. Thank you, Andrew. Thank you, everybody. My name is Snackman. I earned that name in college. I used to sell candy bars, chips, and drinks out of my room. They all referred to me as Snackman because I had the first ever dorm bodega. I opened a business because I wanted to meet people, you know? Like I would make menus and hand them out. I ended up getting girls every 28 days, like one chum. Like in fact, when I opened up shop, I had all the menstruational needs. Midol, tampons, I just throw out a bag and say, here, have a nice 3 to 5 days. I'll see you next month. Thank you. I mean, who are my competition? The vending machines? That's not a problem. I can just jam screws into the coin slots. And like sometimes when I saw business was slowing down, I would just slap on an out of order sign. Thank you, yeah. You laugh, but I made enough money to invest in a scooter. Yeah. I make my deliveries. We had 4 floors, and it was kind of difficult taking the stairs with the scooter. We had an elevator. Going down. Thank you. In college, I got straight D's. And everyone's like, yo, that's not good. That's not good. Why not, yo? My parents are proud of me. This is the first time in my life I actually started being consistent. You see the scar?
Yeah. Yeah.
Thank you. Doctors tell me I got traumatic brain injury. Okay? Science says that humans only use 1/10 of the brain, right? Yo, that means I damaged the 90% we don't even use. Like I got a good brain damage. It was convenient to me. For example, I take the train. I ride Metro North. Every time I get on the train, they try charging me peak prices. I'm like, look, yo, I got brain damage. Yo, I'm off peak 24 hours a day. The best thing about traumatic brain injury is, yo, I can work. The bathroom at my job constantly floods into the aisles. And this company the bathroom keeps flooding into the aisles. This company that I work for is so cheap, instead of fixing it, they just moved the seafood department over there to cover the smell. It's like, what is it? Oh, it's the catch of the day. Thank you. Okay, at my job, I have to spend 25 minutes watching a training video on how to work with the in-store robot, Marty. Yeah, so it goes into things like, if you hear this beeping sound, it's okay, Marty's hard at work. 25 minutes later, I'm thinking, you know, there should be a training video about me. Like, there should be a training video on how to work with Snackman. I would say things like this. He's like, don't worry, if you smell marijuana, it's okay. Snackman's operating at peak performance. I identify as a comedian. Sometimes I fumble a joke like I'm Plaxico Burress in a nightclub with a gun. We all know there are side effects to the COVID vaccine. According to science, pregnant women, they get vaccinated. When they give birth, the baby is born with a mask. Thank you. Thank you. So, recently, remember the Oscars, yo? I know exactly what was going through Will Smith, AKA the slap man of Bel Air's head, moments before he bitch slapped Chris Rock. I can't believe you went with Amy Schumer instead of Snackman at the Oscars. Thank you. I'm going to close on this. You read this before I nuke something, come to think about it, extraterrestrial aliens, not that bad. Crop circles. All right, thank you.